1 Minute Polish Lesson 3.
Cześć and welcome again to 1 Minute Polish, where you can learn Polish 1 minute at a time with me, Ania. We're going to be talking language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Polish. My guess is that everyone you speak to will be very impressed with your skills. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for the Polish language is polski. Let's repeat that. Polski. To say I speak Polish, you say mówię po polsku. Listen again. Mówię po polsku. One more time. Mówię po polsku. You'll probably have noticed that polski changed to polsku. Don't worry about that. In this course, we're not going to spend lots of time worrying about grammar. If you say mówię po polsku, people may think that you speak fluent Polish. Perhaps it's safer to say I speak a little Polish. The word for a little in Polish is trochę. So, putting this together with I speak Polish, you would say mówię trochę po polsku. Listen to this again. It's quite tricky. Mówię trochę po polsku. Excellent! Try it one more time. Mówię trochę po polsku. Time's up, but I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Polish-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. That's all for today. Dziękuję i do widzenia.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.